welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best order grabbing website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your username here, enter your mobile number, create password, confirm your password, this is the invitation code, and after filling all that, click on register now. After that, here you can select your country code. Okay, you can select country codes and all about this, and enter mobile number, all details, and click on register. So wait, let me register. After signing into a website, here you can see this type of interface from the company, inviting friends and reward GMT8 and all about this. This is the company profile, promotion, reward, Wagoneer, invitation, VIP event, and this is the company profile. Here you can see the company name, Newegg, the founded 2000, Fred Chang, Los Angeles, e-commerce website. This is the promotion rewards of the company, what is agent, and all about detail, all about this, so you can read it carefully. This is a beginner to invitation and VIP events. I click on VIP events. Newcomer first recharge bonus, 100 USD above 88.6 USD, even inviting friend reward, 8% rebate from team event. And there is the financial section. Here you can see this financial section, you can read it. These are the different VIPs and you can read it carefully. VIP 6, 7, 8 and this. Okay, and click on order sections. This is the orders. The customer services, online service, customer you can contact if you have any problem. This is this, and this 00. This is the personal details. There is a contract funded team reports. Here you can see this team reports, L1, level 2, friends invitation. Click on friend invitation. You can copy this link and share with your friends, to earn commission. If one of your friend or family register with your link, you will earn some rewards. So start sharing today and earning today. Share with your friends or family and earn this. And now you can also download app. Now I will tell you how to deposit. I click on recharge section. Here you can see you can 100, 300 this. I enter the 100, I copy this address, go to my wallet, wait. I open this, I click on Usdt, I click on send. Here I fill this, I click, and here I enter the amount. Okay, and wait. Coming back to a website, upload a screenshot of it and confirm it, and I read description, so wait. So here you can see my balance is updated. Okay, now we'll tell you how to order. I click on orders, home. There are lot of order VIP. There 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I enter in this VIP 1. I click on this. Here you can see platform data and confirm. So I already complete 45. I click on grab. So wait. So I click on submit. There total commission 46. I again click on grab. Approx 45. Click on 45. I click on again submit. 47. I click on grabbing. I click on grabbing. Here my commission is increased. Commission, today's commissions. This is today's commission is increasing. So wait. I click on grabbing. I click on grabbing. So wait. Click on submit. Click on grabbing. click on submit. Again I grab it. Here you can see my this is increasing. Click on grabbing. Click on grabbing. Click on submit. Click on grabbing. Click on submit. So wait. Submit. Here you can see my today's commission, yesterday commission increasing. Today's orders 8 and click on grabbing. So wait. So here you can see my today's order 42 is completed. Now I explain only 3 hours left. So wait for the completing. I click on submitting. 43 is committed and I generated 2.93 kuch this. I click on again grabbing. Again grabbing. So wait. Click on submit. I click on again grabbing. So this is the last part of submitting. Click on this. 45 orders is done. Today commission is $3. 45 today and 2 days and yesterday and this. Now I will go to my section. This is my balance is updated. Now I click on withdrawal. So wait. I will show you how to withdraw. I click on withdraw. Yes, set password. First of all I set password. Okay. Add withdrawal method. Real name, email address, add home address type USDT, enter your address. Okay, this is a transaction record. Okay, real name Jerry, I enter this, and email address. So wait, all the details are now. I click on withdraw. Withdrawable amount 106. Wait. Now I enter the withdrawal amount. I click on $6. I click on password and I click on confirm. Yes, submit successfully. So I will show you the proof. Here you can see withdrawal record unconfirmed. So wait, status unconfirmed. Wait. Can see my available balance is 100. So my withdrawal is completed. I will show you it shows success. I click on this. States, order number and status success and living win amount 5. Now I will show you my wallet. So this is my deposit. USDT is completed. Here you can see now I will receive 5 USDT. So this is the very best website. This is the very trusted and best website. Now I explain only in detail. So this is the very good and best website, so you can check it. This is the online services. This is the order section. This is the home section. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.